Hello, my name is Seagull. I would like a content-managed website and a brochure. Sorry, but we don't really do birds. Well, I have a big wallet, and I would like the search engine strategy, please. I'd like to be on Google. Yeah. Well, how much were you thinking of paying? There is a premium for wildlife. Well, I have $1 million. Yeah. What do you think, Tim? Do you think we should go for it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we might be able to do that. I think the project is going to be about $1 million. Yeah. Well, yes. Okay. That sounds good to me. It's peckingly great. Yakshamash. What's your name? Seagull. Good to meet you. Yes, I just want to check out your office before I make any commitment to my work. It's all about the search engine strategy. Yes. Well, how does it look? Is it to your satisfactory requirements? Yes. Yes, it's quite nice. I'll just have a look at the meeting area. Yes, and I'll go over here. Yes, very good work. I'm enjoying it.
Is this the big seagull you at the top there, but
Yes.
it's a bleak bird, isn't it? Nobody wants to see them, isn't it?